Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. We've been watching a bunch of pumpkin smashing videos, decided to give it a shot ourselves, and the girls are excited about it. But first we gotta choose our weapon. And this is what we're gonna use. Go ahead.
It keeps spinning, that's the worst part. Ruben's right, it spins. Whoa.
Good job.
You gotta force it down,
You're
Nige.
almost, look, she's making it, she'd already knocked the top in.
Whoa.
Yep.
It's cadence.
There you go. One more, let's tear it up.
Whoa.
Oh man, it really doesn't go anywhere.
You know that. There it is.
Oh god, I got some on my face. Not a lot,
Ew,
but
just
just
a
a
little
little
bit.
bit.
There you go. Nice. There you go. All right, guys. I saved the white one for me. Because it's a very solid pumpkin. I don't know if it's what do they call them? An org or orb or what? An org? A gorge? I have no idea.
gorge?
Here we go. I'm going to give it all. We'll see what happens.
They're sturdy, man.
They're tough inside. I gotta tell you, that was a lot. I know this thing weighs 10 pounds, but here we go. Second one in. It's cracked all the way around, but that's a little tougher than I thought. That is a tough pumpkin. All right, that's what that sucker looks like inside.
Yeah.
It's kind of green.
It is
And
a little green.
and
It's
it smells terrible. Yeah, it
I'm
smells
kind of
terrible, man.
regretting getting a white pumpkin now.
All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of smashing on that.
Now they're extra pumpkins.
All right, here we go.
That's the shot you want.
Good Lord.
It's not, it wasn't.
Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got the chickens out now. They're cleaning up for us. So we're going to go ahead and wind it up here. We had a blast doing this. Please like and subscribe, and happy Halloween.